Hi friends, in this video, we can generate multiplication table in Python. Very simple program. See how the output look like. Here, the Python program asks from user to enter a number and prints multiplication table of that number. Let's see how it works. To print multiplication table of any number in Python, you have to first ask from user to enter the number. Then start calculating its table to print the multiplication table of the given number, as shown here. Here, we have used for loop along with the range function to iterate the loop 10 times. Suppose our input number is 12, then the program will print multiplication table of the number 12 from 1 to 10. In this program, the arguments inside the range function are 1, 11. Means value of I can be numbers from 1 to 10. Initially, I value is 1. Then, the program will print input number 1 times. Here, 12 times 1 will print 12. Next, I value is 2. The program will print 12 times 2 equals to 24. Will print 24. Next, I value is 3. The program will print 12 times 3, print 36, and so on. Very interesting program, right? In this way, the multiplication table is generated. Let's get into the output.